The purpose of this video is to serve as the orientation for the Virginia Highlands Community College MTT web class. This class is taught by Professor Gallagher, and this is the class that is taught not using the MyMathLab software. So this orientation is to show you what type of software is going to be used. And the first thing you need to do is turn on your web browser and go to www.myopenmath.com. This website is what will be used to deliver this class. The first thing you need to do is register as a new student. You will put in, first of all, a username. You will put in a password. Confirm your password. Enter in your first name. Enter in your last name. And enter in your email address. It would be best if you were to use your Virginia Highlands email address. If you don't use the Virginia Highlands email address, it at least needs to be one that you use on a regular basis. You need to check the box that says notify me by email when I receive a message. You need to check the box that says you agree to the terms of use. And then the next thing you do is you enter in a course ID. The course ID is different depending upon which of the 9 modules that you are taking. I will send out an email, and when you respond to that email, I will send you back the 4-digit number that you need to enter for both the course ID and the enrollment key. So this is the way you sign up as a user. Now, once you get signed up as a user, you'll go back to the My Open Math page and log in. So I'm going to log in as Temp1, the account that I just created. And after entering in the enrollment key, you'll see which class you're signed up to take. I had already enrolled for Temp1, MTE8. And you'll be able to see up here in the right-hand corner your actual name, but you use your password to actually log in and sign up for a class. Once you're in a class, I'm just using the MTT as an example, they will all look about the same. Click the class and you'll be able to see that you're now in the MTT class. This particular module deals with rational exponents and radicals. And there are 2 main files. I'm going to show you the second one first because it's the smaller file. If you click on this file, you'll be able to see links to YouTube that contain additional videos. This, for example, allows you, if you're in MTE8, this will allow you to go back and look at any of the lecture videos from any of the other MTE classes. If I click on the MTE8 link, it takes you to the YouTube channel.
We now need to learn about a new type of number called a complex number. Now,
and you can watch videos, like I said, from any of the MTEs. Now, I'm going to go back to the main folder that contains the majority of the material. If you click on this folder, you'll see that there is an orientation, and this orientation basically consists of 8 questions. It's not required, but it does walk you through the different ways you can submit answers, enter answers, and give you an idea of how this software works. So it'd be a good thing to go through that. I'm going to back out of that. We need to do the orientation just for practice. Again, the majority of the material is right here in the main folder. As you can see, in MTE8, there are radical expression. Open that one up. And right off the bat, like the link to a few videos that you can watch. Also, a link to some videos with examples and homework. With some of these courses, not just videos, but text you can go and read. And what you basically need to do is just go down in order, reading any documents that are there, watching any videos that are there, and then the homework. Some homeworks will only have 10 questions, some will have more, some will have less. You need to go through the homeworks. And with the homework, click on the problem you want to work, and basically enter an answer in that box. You'll notice that, for example, any tools you need on this arrow. If there are fractions you need to enter, you'll be able to do it here. If there are roots you need to enter, you'll be able to do it here as well. Like with the next question, um, enter something like that as a radical or something. Click on the box, and here's where you can enter in fractions, exponents, roots, absolute value, or any of those. Now, put something in, you sort of put the answer in. You're looking at this and you're like, well, what is that? You click the preview button, and it'll show you actually these problems. You get one wrong, you can go back and you can try it again. That's 3/4. And I'm going to submit it. I just got that question wrong 2 times. All right. Now, once you get a question wrong a couple times, you try it again. You go back and click on try another similar exercise, and if you see that similar exercise button, you can try the questions as many times as you want. Now, that's how it works. Come back, one section at a time, run the homework one at a time. You'll notice sometimes here there are, in this case, it's textbook to read a little bit, better understanding the text available as well as the videos that are available. Read through to Carol. The homeworks one at a time, watching the videos one at a time, and finally, read the text. So all this course will consist of reading, to watch, homework to do. Once you've done all the homework, you get to take the test. The test requires a password, and to take the test, you have to go to the testing center on campus, and they will have the password. And the test will look just like the homework as far as the types of questions and the way they are answered. Again, some courses like this one have only a couple of folders. Some of them have a lot more. You'll see there'll be anything from video lessons with examples, optional lessons with worksheets. Again, anything that's optional on it doesn't come up in the grade book. Grade, basically, it's a pass-fail type course, and your grade will depend upon whether or not you get the required 75% on the final exam. So this is a mini lesson right here, answers already supplied. So you could go through with that one. And you can try the lesson, that's the original sheet right there, for example. And once you try the sheet, you can check the answers for yourself on that answer key. So most of the optional lessons have the answers provided. Again, this is just what Module 8 looks like. All the different modules vary slightly. If you want to know what your grade is looking like, there's a grade book here. There's nothing in it right now because we haven't done anything. Is the and the main thing, of course, is the final test. You need to get 75%. What you need to focus on is the percent. You need to get 75% or better for the module. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to email me. I look forward to